this is Kelly's Vlogs. I'm Kevin, and I'll be adding a new content to my channel. Yes, adding a workout section. So in this section, I just do mainly workouts. So I upload this video once a week, differently from my other regular videos. So yeah, so I've been doing workout for about 3 months. I've heard that at-home workout actually helps. I was seeing videos on YouTube or other people talking about at-home workout, but I've never really seen anybody who actually did it and actually seen progress without going to the gym. So, not only working out, actually doing an experiment also, doing the at-home workout alone after 3 months, what the progress I'll be having. Will I be bigger? Will I gain more muscles? Will I be showing more abs into this big gut right here? Yeah, so that's the aim. Experiment and also trying to gain some muscle and some, a nice firm body. So these are some pictures of what I look right now. I'll be taking more pictures at the end of this month and every other month leading up to the 3 months. So every month I'll be checking back on my progress to see what's the result of my workout. So let's try this a workout video. Let's go. Okay, we're going to start with some push-ups. We're going to do 3 to 20 push-ups, but 3 different type of push-ups. So let's begin with the first thing. Can you see my hands? This is how my hands look right now. So yeah, let's go. 1, okay, that's our first set. After that, we take a 30 seconds break. Okay. Okay, I'm back for the next set. So this time is the normal push-ups. Let's go. Okay, and if that's it, 30 seconds break. Okay, no for last set, but next the push-ups wide. You see my arms are way out here. Wide. I call it wide push-up. So let's go. Woo! Okay, 30 seconds break again. Alright, now moving on to the next set of push-ups. You can get a sack, a chair, anything. I don't really have anything, so I'm using this couch. Let's go. 20 push-ups. Okay, so now we're gonna do some stops. So 3, 2, 1, let's do this. Yes, guys, if you're wondering, yes, I did 15. I'm doing 15 stops to do the push-ups. If I'm in the end of the month, I feel like I can't go more, I'll add to my workout. But for now, keep at a limit I can manage. You guys should do the same. The limit that you guys can manage. Whew, okay. Moving on to the next set. Remember, take a 30 seconds break. Okay, let's go again. Whew. Just 30 seconds break, people. 30 seconds break. So I'm back. Oh, if you guys wondering why I keep on pausing the video, thing is I don't want you guys to just see me sit down for just the entire 30 seconds. It's gonna be anything, so I pause it so to lessen the time of the video. Yeah. So 62 or 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and go. Woo! 30 seconds break on the next exercise. Whew. I'm sweating as well. Okay, so this next exercise, I don't know the name of it, but I call it advanced sit-ups because I don't know the name of it, but it's really hard to do. For most of you, might can do it, and maybe a few of you can do it, I'm not sure, but I'm going to do it the easy way. I'll use my hands as brace. If you guys can manage it, you can do it without your hands. Let me show you an example. This is an example. I'll be doing this, straight out, back in, straight out, back in. That's what I'm going to do. 15 reps. You guys can manage it, you can do it without hands. Straight out, back in, straight out, back in. Remember, your back mustn't touch the floor and your feet must touch the floor. So you must be above the ground at all times. If your feet are back to the floor, you're not getting the workout in. So yeah. So therefore, I can't do it that well, so use my hands as brace. Alright, so let's get started. 3, 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh God! Ah! Woo! Ah, yeah, yeah. You see, it's not really easy. But if you can manage it, you guys do it without your hands. I'm gonna keep using my hands for now until I get used to it. So, 30 seconds break, I'll be back. Wow. Okay, on to the next set. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, that's painful. That's painful, literally painful. Okay, 30 seconds break. Back again. And again. Okay, back for the last set. Let's go. If you're wondering, yes, I'm extremely tired and in pain. So, but I started to finish this, get a workout in, so I can see progress in the end of the month. So, ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh shit! Yes! Woo! Okay, take a break and back to the record. Okay, now we're gonna do some leg raises. So let's go. It's record in there. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh shit! Sorry about that. Oh my god, it's painful. Sorry about that. 30 seconds break. We're back. Wow. I forgot to inform you guys that if you took the 30 seconds break and you still feel like pain or that you still feel tired, you can take up to a minute, but don't over a minute, okay? So the most I would take is 35-40 seconds break if I really feel that. No, I never wait 3 minutes. I don't want to rest for too long. Yeah, that's just letting you guys know. So if 30 seconds not enough for you, you can wait up to a minute. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, half, quarter, 0. Oh God. Honestly, I don't want to get up as yet, but need to get this record in. Let's go, next set. Whew. 3, 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Shit! Oh God! Oh God! Oh, sorry for the language. Woo! Okay, one more set. 30 seconds break. Okay, let's go again. Woo! Last set. I'm in so much pain. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo! Oh God! Yes! 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 Woo! Finally! Woo. Don't laugh. It's really hard. Actually, really hard. And therefore, if I keep this up after a month or two, it's gonna get easier. I guess, hopefully. So, yeah. 30 seconds break. Then we're going to do a bonus workout. So, let's take a break. Okay, for the bonus, you guys can do any workout you want to do. I'm going to do some abs because that's what I really want to do more right now. My abs, because my gut is really big. So yeah. So we'll do some abs, most I can do, and then let's end this workout right there. So you guys can do push-ups. You want to do push-ups, pull-ups, pull-ups, anything you want to do for your extra bonus workout. And after the workout, you just try to do extra. You know, just put in the extra. Yeah, so I said I want to build my abs because nothing's there. So that's what we're going to work out right now. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! That leg raise really did their number on me. I don't think my abs can manage it anymore, but as I said before, get that bonus workout in. That's the aim. If you can't, it's still okay if you finish your record. The bonus workout is not a must. It's just if you in the record you still feel like you can do more, try the bonus. So that's the end of my video for today. Remember, please like, share, subscribe to KS Vlogs and subscribe as it. And comment below what you think about my workout. Will you think it will work? Will I actually start to see progress after a month? Please like this video if you also like the video, if you like my workout. And if you're willing to try my workout, also leave me a like and comment here below. And you also can make suggestions of things I can do in my workout. I can add after the month has passed. Yeah. And also, my next video, not my next video, but every week I'll be doing a bonus video for you guys. So any amount of likes I get for this video, I'll be creating a video differently from my workout video, where I do the amount of likes I got, what push-ups I will do. So 1 like per push-up. So if I get 40 likes, I'm doing 40 push-ups for you guys. 10 likes, 10 push-ups. 1 like, 1 push-up. Okay? 100 likes, well, I got to do the 100 push-up. So yeah, maybe by the 800 likes, I'll be able to do 100 push-ups. So yeah, guys, thanks for supporting me and Kevin, this KS Vlogs, and I'm out. Peace.